Hello, welcome to the pointe class of LBallet. It's the 6th pointe class, so we are a little experienced already. I hope you have good material, good pointe shoes for your feet, at your feet. And we are starting with the left foot and 2 hands at the bar. By the side, it's the 7th of October 2020, and you are seeing Esme is the first, Sarah, Ezra, Isis, Sanne, give a look, Merel, and the last one is Fleur. So we have a full bar today. So, take care, my dears, there we go. Left foot on the pointe, 1, go, up, stay, not too near to the bar, and 5, and 6, roll down 3/4 and the whole foot. Right foot the same, up, and the 2, and the 3, don't look down, 5, and the 6, 7 3/4, 8 is down. Left foot, 2 feet, left foot down, 2 feet, right foot down, and 2 together, down, and 1, and the 2, and the 3, and the 4, and the 5, and the 6, hold 7, go down, turn out, and from the top the whole thing in the turned out position. So don't be too near to the bar, don't pinch your toes, long toes, and the instep completely strong in your ankle. Elbows down. Sarah, a little further away from the bar, because you come a whole foot length to the front. Ezra, your X-ray legs are going to X-ray. Oh my God, yeah, I'm sorry, there we go. And left foot on the pointe, going up. Your focus is straight forward, Sanne. Holding, 3/4, and down, right foot, 1, going up, stretching, over the bar, holding, and 3/4, part 2, left on the pointe, and 2, left, down, and up, and down, and hold, stay, and roll down, right foot, and 1, going up, and down, going up, and going up, roll down, turn out, and left foot, and 2 feet, holding, turn out, elbows down, 3/4, good Fleur, and down, right foot, 1, go, up, don't look down, they will not fall away, beautiful, hold it, and 3/4, and part 2, and 1, 2 feet, left, down, and up, and down, and up, and hold. Take your focus with you, son, and down, and right, and up. Ezra sloping over the bar, and the last one stays, and holding arms in first. Stretch your ankles, shoulders are in front of your hips, beautiful Sarah, little finger more out, the air is at the bottom of the arm, and rolling down, thank you. Okay, thank you. So, be careful not to be on point like this, really straight on the tips of your toes. We are taking, in first position, demi-plié. Be careful with your soft shoes. Next week she has his other shoes. Over the point and stretch, be there. And holding, turning out, go straight down again. 1 and the 2 and the 3 inside legs and the 5 and the 6, 3/4 7, down 8 again. 1, 4 times. Then we go down on 7, on 6, 7, turn you left. Not too big, you second position. So a narrow second position. It's not more than 1 foot length between the 2 heels. And the same in second, the last second stays. And the second should be under your, for your feeling, under your hips, not beside of your hips, because then you are pushing out, and that's wrong. Really on top of your feet. Be in first position, Fleur. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Demi-plie and over, going up. Don't look down. Holding, not pinching. Roll 3/4, stretch down. And again. And 2. Going up, feel the insides to your armpits, holding, rolling down, beautiful Sanne, and again, and going and up, holding and stretching, yes, and roll down, 4th time, 1 and 2, and up, holding 5, go down 6, 7, left foot and demi-plie over, and your feet under the hips, hold, and roll down. Yes, Sarah, well done. And 1, go 2. Take care of your sitting bones, they are not going backwards. Rolling down again, and 1 and 2 and up. Holding, stretch the insides to your armpits, rolling down, last time, and 1 and 2 and up. Arms first, holding, balance, no shoulders, Ezra, down to the side, your shoulder blades, out of each other, a flat back. Hold it, the tips of your shoulders in front of the tips of your hips, rolling down, turn you, and close. Esme, be careful because you were not equal. Yes, sometimes you have to feel that your feet are on the same level. Yeah, okay, going on, staying at the bar. And now we are going to do a demi-plie full point. And 1 and up, and going down starts here, together with the 3/4 foot. So be careful when you are up, you're starting, bending the thighs together with the 3/4 foot, and then going down. Plie 2, 3, up 2, 3, plie and up. Inhibiting the plie and quickly going up, holding and 1, 2, 3, up 2, 3, inhibiting quickly and inhibiting and up and holding 4